China confident of resolving impact from Fed tightening. Foreign exchange regulator Shanghai China is assured of resolving the impact of monetary policy tightening by the U.S. Federal Reserve, the foreign exchange regulator stated on Friday. The regulator will closely reveal the pace of Fed policy changes that could have an effect on global economic markets, Wang Chunying, spokeswoman of the State Administration of Foreign Exchange (SAFE), informed journalists. In fact, the Fed is likewise facing a predicament between controlling inflation and stabilizing the economy, she introduced. We will pay close interest to outside changes, examine the impact in a well-timed manner, to prepare to effectively save you and mitigate external shocks. Investors widely count on the Fed to supply some other 75 basis point rate hike at its coverage assembly next week. The Fed's aggressive monetary tightening plans have stoked marketplace concerns over a U.S. recession. Many Asian central banks have found themselves scrambling to capture tightening policy to tame inflation and hold their currencies from depreciating too much. China, at the side of Japan, has been a major outlier within the international tightening spree, with Beijing centered on stimulating its COVID economy. But buyers had been worried that the widening economic divergence may want to trigger capital outflows and yuan depreciation. The yuan has weakened 6% against the charging US dollar so far this year, however Wang mentioned it would continue to be stable at reasonable and balanced ranges in the second half of. Judging from latest performance, despite the fact that the dollar has bolstered further, the yuan's stability among different essential currencies has become greater outstanding because the home economic system selection's up, she said. Separately, the regulator reiterated that China is assured that overseas investors might continue to grow their holdings of yuan-denominated bonds over the long term, regardless of facts that confirmed foreigners reduce their holdings in June.